So guys, I am at Watford. I am staying at the Holiday Inn today and tomorrow night at the Holiday Inn at Watford Junction. So let's get, I've just checked in, let's get ourselves to the room. Afternoon guys, I have arrived at the Holiday Inn at Watford Junction. This 2-day night that I am staying is part of my long weekend where I am going to the Harry Potter Studios. That will be tomorrow. I'm going to that, so subscribe if you wish to see that video in the future. You can also hit the notification bell as well, that will notify you once I upload that video and future videos. So just now I will do a room tour of the Holiday Inn at Watford Junction. So let's have a look. So first and foremost, obviously at the front door we have the emergency escape routes. I am in 404. There's no kind of door latch in this room. Got a lock, key to get the power on. Just in the hall here I have a small wardrobe, some hangers. That jumper is mine, don't worry. We've got ironing board behind, iron, some spare pillows, 2 pillows which feel nice. And that's that in there. Come into kind of mini hallway with a nice tall mirror, floor to ceiling, double sockets, nice chair, little kind of mini bench chair to sit on, and the room. First impressions, it's nice. It's very clean, modern. Yeah, very smart. So, bedside table, 2 double sockets, switches, light, also bedside light, sorry, for reading. Same on the other side, just with the phone, just the one switch this time. You can see the light there for your reading. Nice little light, backlight there on the headboard, which is nice. A couple of drawers. 3 drawers on this side, no drawers there, it's a floating bedside table. TV, nice little feature here. Got a hairdryer. There is some information with prices for drinks and food, but what I'll do is I'll go through that separately and scan through that in a separate clip for you. Here we have nice big table, chair, big mirror, double sockets, a cat V cables, points, USB chargers, which is good. We all love USB chargers, just plug it straight in, not messing around for a plug. Another chair in the corner, got 2 separate windows here. Not the greatest view, I'll be honest. Got the car park. I will go over the price that I paid for this room at the end. let's go have a look at the bathroom. So, nice big shower. Got a grab rail in there. Got hair and body wash. Toilet. Big sink. Nice mirror. Makeup mirror. Not for myself, of course, but you never know. Got the liquid hand soap. Some more towels in here. Up out the way. Another towel there. Some tissues. 2 toilet roll holders. Bin. Another tissue holder there. There's your shaver socket. Charging your shavers. Nice little shower cap. Some 2 glasses in here. Big mirror. So yeah, it's nice and clean, nice and modern. Yeah, nice. So I've got this display holder on the wall just next to the TV. This is for the drinks. The food's on the table over there, so I'm going to grab this just now and go through it separately. I'll not go through everything, but I'll do a little scan for you so you can see some prices. Here we have the food menu. So here's the welcome letter, just giving you information on breakfast. So breakfast from 6:30 in the morning to 9 AM Monday to Friday, 7 AM to 9:30 AM Saturday and Sunday. Dinner 5:30 PM to 9 PM Monday to Sunday. And Starbucks to go cafe is 6 AM to 10:30 PM Monday to Sunday, which is good. That's a wee bonus. The Starbucks on site. Underneath the desk we have a selection of coffee, teas, sugars, milk as well. There's the kettle, 2 cups. There's also a safe, so seems to be a decent size, and a bin underneath there as well. So I paid, it was £143 for the 2 nights. It sounds a lot, but I think location wise, where I am at the train station where I got off, which is literally meters, 50 metres something like that, but it's like a 2-minute walk to the hotel, and also where I am going tomorrow, which is the Harry Potter Studios, which I will be vlogging as well. So feel free to subscribe to get that content when I upload that. But yeah, this is a queen room, queen double bed. It doesn't include breakfast, so that's the only thing I would say that tips it over a little bit for being a little bit expensive. Location wins, it's modern, it ticks those boxes for me 100%, but breakfast, £140 for 2 nights, you really should be chucking that in there. The view is not great, which is another thing. They did let me check in early, gave me another room, so maybe that's the reason why I never got the view. Maybe they are doing construction works down the street to another hotel, so I think they're building another hotel, not the Holiday Inn, but there's another one going there, so I'm not too sure. So maybe I would have been at the front and I would have heard that noise. So hopefully you enjoyed that small room tour of the Holiday Inn at Watford Junction, and give me a thumbs up, a comment. Have you stayed here before? Have you had any experience here? Have you enjoyed it? Have you had any bad experiences here? So let me know in the comments. Is there any other hotels you need to check in this area that you would compare this to? But anyway, I'm off. I'm going to get some rest just now, get something to eat. Feel free to check out my other video. I'll put the other video link here if I've uploaded it already for the Harry Potter vlog day. If you wish to have a look at that, then really appreciate it. So all the best guys, hope to see you all soon.